First of all, let's define programming paradigm. A programming paradigm is a style or way of programming. Programming paradigm is an approach to solve problems using a programming language. It is a way to classify programming language functions. Let's use car as an example of an object. Some data that describes a car are model, color, and seating. The methods of the car are start, move, stop. That means we can start the car, move it forward or reverse, and stop it. We can't talk about objects without mentioning classes. What is a class? A class is like an